Okay, thank you very much to that AVP. Okay, before I continue, please, everyone please stand up. We will have a simple activity. Okay, since you have quite a partner, please, yung katabi lang natin. Yan. And please face each other. Okay, magkakaroon tayong activity called mirroring. Anong ibig sabihin ng mirroring? Okay? First of all, I would like you to have mag-jack and boy muna kayo. Sinong mananalo, siya ang mirror. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Sige. Okay. We don't usually exercise our face. Di ba nag-exercise tayo, yung body natin, lahat ng parts. But our face, hindi natin na-exercise yan. But now, we're going to do that and we will become crazy this morning. Okay? So, sino yung mirror? Yung nanalo? Nanalo ba? Oo, yan. So ngayon, yung talo, siya yung tao. So ano bang ginagawa ng mirror pag umarap tayo sa mirror? Siyempre, what the human is doing, the mirror should follow. Okay? But this time, we will make faces. Like, okay? That's just for fun, okay? I'm giving you 30 seconds to do that. Okay, do it now, go. Okay, time's up. Baliktad naman, gantihan niyo siya. Okay, yung mirror magiging tao and yung tao magiging mirror. Do it now, 30 seconds, go. Now make funny faces. Okay, very good. Now, sige. Please, don't look at me, look at the mirror. Okay? Tignan niyo siya mabuti. Kamukha niyo ba yung mirror? Hindi. Okay, please look at his or her eyes, sa nose, sa lips, and find something na napakaganda sa kanyang mukha. Okay? And please tell that to that mirror. Ang gwapo mo, ang ganda-ganda mo, something like that. Do it now, go! Teka, ako ba to? Okay. Sige. And please say thank you to that person for being my mirror. Okay, please sit down. Thank you very much. Okay. We're going to talk about the art of voice acting, specifically the voiceover business. You know, every day we wake up and then what we do?